The 30-day low-fat vegan weight loss challenge starts tomorrow here on my YouTube channel, and I thought I would just do a quick little refresher for everyone who is getting ready to start the challenge tomorrow. First of all, I've been getting a lot of messages asking where do people sign up to participate in the challenge or to get emails. This is very, very, very simple. There's no emails, there's no anything other than this YouTube channel, and all of the daily videos are going to be in one playlist called 30-Day Weight Loss Challenge. So there already are a few videos in that playlist explaining the rules of the challenge, but basically all it is watching these videos to give you a sense that you're not the only one that's doing this. You can communicate with others in the comment section and just have the video of the day as a little reminder to help keep you on track. It's a very simple way of eating. It's salt, oil, sugar-free, and you're focusing on whole plant foods. So if you do want more information, I have an ebook that I will link in the description box, but by no means do you need to buy the ebook to participate. If you want, you can just follow along with the videos, and basically it's salt, oil, sugar-free. You're going to focus on filling starches like potatoes, rice, beans, oatmeal, and that's going to be the bulk of your meal. You're also going to have lots of veggies, raw and cooked veggies. Remember to cook without oil, and I'll talk a lot about that again in the daily videos. And again, as much fruit as you want. Fruit makes a fantastic snack. Smoothies are okay, but other than smoothies, which have the fiber versus juice and water, I wouldn't really have any other drinks. You don't really want to be drinking your calories. Obviously no soda or anything like that. But there's more information in those videos I've already uploaded. And I just want to remind you to be kind with yourself during this process. I know we get really excited with a new goal, and maybe you have a certain amount of weight in your mind that you want to lose, but don't put pressure on yourself to lose that all really quickly, because that's just not how weight loss works. You don't gain 35 pounds in a week, and you're not going to lose it that quickly either. So don't let that discourage you. Don't let the number on the scale discourage you. So, we're going to track our weight loss weekly. So you're going to weigh yourself tomorrow, first day of the challenge, and then you're going to weigh yourself again next week and write down that number and just track week to week, and you should see a weight loss of at least half a pound to a pound if you have at least 15-20 pounds to lose. If you are, in your last 5 to 10 pounds that you want to lose, weight loss tends to come off very, very slowly at the end because you're so close to your ideal healthy weight. So your body might be happy at the weight that it's at right now. But anyways, we will get into the last 10 pounds later on. I'm trying to keep this video short. So stay patient with yourself. Love yourself through this journey. Fall in love with the process of feeding yourself healthy, whole plant foods, and the weight will come off as a byproduct of that process. And if you have any questions for me, as always, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And good luck with day one. Just get yourself full on those healthy starches. A good start to the day means having the starches early on. Don't just eat lettuce early on in the day or a few fruits and expect that to last you till later on in the evening. You're going to be hungry, and when you're super hungry, that's when you're more likely to reach for the junk. So you want to be filling up on the starches. And again, I will see you in the next few videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.